Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, student? I hope so you all will be fine. Welcome to English online class. It's my fourth lecture with grade 6 and the topic is adverbs. In previous lecture I have given the detailed concept of adverbs and its kinds, and today we will do notebook work, and the question is that we have to complete is write at least 5 examples of each kind of adverbs. Okay, we have to write at least 5 sentences to complete and we will complete our question. As you know that there are 3 kinds of adverbs, that are adverbs of manners, adverbs of place and adverbs of time. And one thing more I want to tell you that I have written 3 examples of each kind of noun, and you have to write 2 more examples of your own. That will be your homework. Okay, moving on. As you can see that I have written 3 examples. First kind is adverbs of manner. Examples are: she was walking slowly. In this sentence, slowly is adverb. Do not walk so fast. He was speaking clearly. In these sentences, slowly, fast or clearly are adverbs of manners. You will write sentence number 4 and 5 of your own. Next type of adverb is adverbs of place. Okay, first sentence is they followed her everywhere. Okay, they followed her everywhere. Here are the CDs you wanted. And the third sentence is Aisha fell down and cried. In these sentences, everywhere, here and down are adverbs of place. You will write sentence number 4 and 5 of your own. Next type of adverbs is adverbs of time. Sarah attended the seminar yesterday. Ali will visit us on Saturday. The book was not available then. In these sentences, yesterday, Saturday and then are adverbs of time. You know that adverbs of manner tells us how an action takes place. Okay, how an action takes place. Adverbs of place tell us where an action takes place, and adverbs of time tell us when an action takes place. Okay, you will write you will make your notebook like this. This is your sample notebook, and you will write sentence number 4 and 5 of your own and send pictures to me. Okay, thank you.